Hey guys, welcome to my video.
Sorry. Unboxing video.
Yeet.
Wait. There's more. Okay. So, I've had people on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, MySpace. Everyone's requesting unboxing videos. There's just been overwhelming love for this.
Oh my gosh, stop.
Not one person has asked me to do an unboxing video, but someday someone might ask me.
Who knows?
Until then, so we're gonna do an unboxing video on two things. This we've needed probably for, we don't need it, but we've wanted to get it for a while.
Well, we do need it. He's gotten big, and so, I don't know if you guys know, we have the Nuna. And if you are gonna be new parents anytime soon, highly recommend the Nuna for your first car seat / stroller. It's the best thing in the world.
And we didn't say it yet, but this is a car seat.
Yes.
So it is the...
We did say it. Oops.
The Nuna.
It's a Nuna
Rava.
Rava. And we did a lot of research on it. We'll talk about it as we unbox it.
So we're going on a road trip. The very first road trip, very first camping trip, very first overlanding type trip. So we got a new car seat because we've been wanting it for a while. And then we got this child backpack carrier. I don't know what they're called.
And we found this off of a Facebook ad, so...
It's probably a scam, and we got scammed.
No, it was actually one of Time Magazine's best inventions of 2019, so I'm thinking it should be good, but we will let you guys know. It's from Sweden or Scandinavia or something like that.
I'm sure it's China. So our channel is gonna be named Bryce and Braden eventually. We'll make a formal video eventually.
We're slowly working our way up to it.
So
I'm a little bit camera
Braden's
shy.
gonna take over
No.
this video because this is baby stuff.
I am unboxing.
It's like you've done unboxing videos before.
Oh yeah, I'm pro at unboxing things. All my Amazon orders.
Hey Liam, let's not touch the scissors.
Ah! So, we've been wanting to get a hiking backpack, but Liam hates being restricted. And so I found this one on Facebook, and it's very compact and slim, you can tell.
Wow.
It's actually feels very sturdy.
I hope we like it because
It feels really
very
sturdy.
minimalistic.
Yes, and we wanted something minimalistic because all the other backpacks that we saw were like bigger and bulkier, and we didn't want to have to be dealing with that packing wise or on hikes and stuff. I just feel like they can be a bit much.
Did you just have an accent there?
No, I didn't. I didn't mean to. Buckle there. So this one's cool because it goes on their shoulders instead of on your back. So I feel like gives them more range of motion, and they're not going to be so like restricted into what they can see and can't see.
Like this little child here. Look at the joy on that kid. That's gonna be Liam.
I wonder how heavy the baby can be in it.
It says up to 5 years old, so like I think that says weight 40 pounds.
Sweet, we'll bust it open.
I'm trying to figure it out. That's
Are you reading the directions?
Wrong.
Yeah, tell mom how to take it apart.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
So, oh wow, that like snaps into place really well.
Try it on! Or do you want me to try it on?
I don't know. Well, you're probably gonna be the one wearing it because I don't think I'll be able to do it. Yeah, let's have you try it on.
Liam, look at this.
All right. I think I might need your assistance.
Straps
No, let me see if I
here.
can do it by myself.
So it goes around his shoulders.
So if I wanted to go by myself, I could do it all by myself.
Be easy
What
to
the
figure
fudge
out.
is this?
That is gonna be, I think, for his
Yeah, I'm lost with
legs
that.
or something.
No,
We'll
it's-
have to look up.
His feet go in these little...
Yeah, but I think it may go around
Restraints.
his waist.
I'm not putting the baby in here until I know. Do I look funny?
No,
Okay,
it
good.
really doesn't look funny.
All right, this is test number 1, just for this intro video.
Liam's probably gonna hate it, but
And then we're gonna test it out in Bryce Canyon
we're actually hiking.
this week. So
Hey, Liam, you
bear
ready?
with us. I'm going down.
You ready?
Ready to go in, sweetie? It's a chair.
Oh.
The viewers can't see.
Whoa! He's so excited. Okay, you gotta put your foot in here. Ready? You put it in. He's playing with your hair. Okay, don't lean forward too much. Here, tighten that while I do his other leg.
Okay, we got one foot. We gotta make it so people can see, kind of. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know how well you can see. I got a child on me, but this is what we're working with. Liam, do you like it?
You can do more of a close-up.
It doesn't even feel like he's on there. Like, it feels pretty good.
Hey, Liam, let's put your other foot in. Ready? Whoa.
Yep, you got handles too. It comes with handles. Oh, that's just my hair.
Look.
So this is the honest first reaction.
Buddy, what's wrong?
This is how all our videos are gonna be. The Jeep video, this video.
So far, he hates it.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
We've
10.
never had him on our shoulders ever, so I feel like this is a very new thing for him. Liam, look how tall you are! Whoa!
I don't want to get him out right away because with his Jeep he cried, and we waited 2 weeks because we were scared, and then we put him in and forced him to do it, and he loved it.
You wanna go up the stairs? Yeah, let's go do it. Hurting him? Look at my neck. Okay, let's go up the stairs. Can we count? One. Okay, no, we gotta count right now. Ready? 1. Can you count with me? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay, Liam! Good job!
Okay, Liam, we're gonna keep going.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
19, 20. Yay!
We just gotta like
Get him used to it.
You wanna count going down too? Okay, let's go to the top. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18. You're close.
19,
20. Yay, Liam!
Yay. Okay, we'll get him out so he doesn't get freaked out. Okay, we're out then. That was a good first try. It doesn't look like it because he's jamming my neck down, but it honestly feels great. Anyways, we're gonna take this off and open that up.
I'll show him the mirror on this first.
Oh yeah, that's funny.
It's kind of funny, but it's kind of nice too.
You see this little handy dandy mirror pouch? So if you're like, is my baby still doing okay? You do a little look-ski. See how he's doing. And I guess it's tinted blue for like sun glare.
No, it's probably a sticker on it, right? Yeah.
Oh wow. That's why we're a team on this channel.
Oh my gosh.
But if you guys want to check out the Nuna Rava, we're actually gonna do that in a separate video. We're gonna continue on with this video out in Bryce Canyon. So yeah.